want static, let 'em have it. Have you ever seen a lady see me automatic? It go dumb like a drum, hit a beat blasting. When it come to that fight,
we're gonna wear it like this. Okay, so first I'm going to unbox the wig. But before I do that, I have cornrows, and they're really tight except for in the middle because I can't do a straight back cornrow. So this one's like a dookie one in the middle, but the sides are really tight and crisp. And I just put this nude wig cap on. I usually use the mesh ones. This is my first time using a nude one, but you won't even be able to see it. And I took out my baby hairs. I don't even know if I'm going to show them, but just in case if I do want to show them, then I have them out. So let's open it. Okay. It's pretty soft. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. I love the curls. So let's just get started. There's this tag. It says the color is 2 and the style is LPW-138 by Invisilace. That's the brand. And it gives you washing hair instructions, so I'm gonna keep this. So this comes with the part already, and it's a hooked part. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the part. And it's lace right there. And then the combs, there's 2 combs in the front on either sides of the strip of lace, and then a comb in the back with adjustable straps. So let's just put this puppy on. Whew. I like this. It's bigger than I wanted it to be, but I opened it. I have no patience, and I opened it the other day, and it wasn't this big, but like I started combing my fingers through it, so it did get a little bigger. But I don't want to wear it like this. You know, I don't want to wear it with the part. But I mean, if I wanted to, I could. I feel like this makes you look too grown, you know. Oh, and it comes with baby hairs. I'm gonna lay their baby hairs with mine to like blend it, and then from there I'm gonna style it. So I just take my Eco Styler gel, my toothbrush, can't shake it up anymore. I put a little bit of shampoo in here, and I'm just going to spray the hair. So my best bet is just to cut it. So I want to have bangs, but I want to be able to wear it like this. Whatever the part is. So I'm gonna pull it back a little bit, and then I'm gonna move it this way, and now I'm gonna lock the combs in. in my last video, well, maybe like 2 videos back, I did this thing where like I kind of like spoke about something, and I was like, I think I'm gonna start doing this, not in every video, but like I'll do this occasionally in some videos. And it's because I have like a lot of younger subscribers, and a lot of like my younger cousins watch my videos, and like I want to set an example for them. And you know, I kind of like, because they watch all my videos, so you know, what better way to talk to them, talk to all of you guys, you know, not just my family, but like my cousins, not just my cousins, but you guys as well, about things that like hit close to home, that are dear to me. You know what me and my cousin were talking about the other day? Boyfriends. So let's talk about that. You honestly, you don't need one, or boyfriend or girlfriend. You know, you honestly just need yourself and like a good support system. Yeah, they're fun to have, but you get bored with them, you know? I get bored with things, so I get bored with people. But yeah, you don't need anybody else. Like, as long as you have, you know, yourself, your family. If you don't have family, if you have like a few close friends that you could count on, you know, you don't need a guy to like, or a girl to be there to be like, oh, you're pretty, and like make you feel like a good person. Like, you should be able to do that on your own. And you know, like, it's nice to have a boyfriend, but it's like, it's not a necessity, you know. So, you know, I'm not gonna say your name, but you know who I'm talking about. You need to dump him. You're too pretty. Both you guys. You know who I'm talking about. You guys don't need a boyfriend, you know. Last thing of advice, always wear lip gloss. You want them oozing. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And, you know, follow my social medias. I'm not on any right now because I gave them up for Lent. But you can still follow them, you know.